Hey everyone. Welcome back to Money Talks South Africa. Today I want to talk about strategies for managing debt, specifically for those of us living in South Africa. Debt is an issue many South Africans face, but there are ways to take control of your finances and pay off what you owe. In this video, I'll share some practical tips and resources to help you on your debt-free journey. Know your numbers. The first step is to know exactly how much debt you have and what you owe. Make a list of all your debts including credit cards, personal loans, retail store cards, overdrafts, and more. Write down the outstanding balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each one. This gives you a complete picture of your debt load so you can make a plan. Cut expenses. Next, look for areas to cut back on spending. Avoid unnecessary purchases and find ways to save on essential costs like groceries and transportation. Every rand you can trim from your budget can go toward paying off debt. Pack your lunch instead of eating out, cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate bills if you can. Small changes add up. Pay more than minimums. Pay more than the minimum payment on your debts each month. Minimum payments only cover a portion of the interest and don't make a dent in the principal balance. Pay as much extra as you can toward your highest interest debt while still covering minimums on the others. This debt avalanche method saves money. Explore debt consolidation. Debt consolidation can make managing debt easier by combining multiple balances into one loan with a lower interest rate. This works best if you have good credit. Research your options like balance transfer credit cards and debt consolidation loans from your bank. Make sure to avoid shady debt relief companies charging huge fees. Earn extra income. Bringing in additional income will accelerate paying off what you owe. Take on a side gig like rideshare driving, tutoring, or freelance work in your spare time. Every extra rand brings you closer to becoming debt-free. Stick to your plan. Stay disciplined and motivated by tracking your progress. Celebrate milestones like paying off your smallest debt completely. And be patient, becoming debt-free takes time. Stay focused on your goal. Controlling your debt takes commitment, but is completely achievable. Apply these steps to take charge of your finances. Know exactly what you owe, cut expenses, pay more than minimums, explore consolidation cautiously, earn extra income, and stick to your debt payoff plan. You've got this. Consistency and smart strategies will help you become debt-free.